Warriors, rise. Man, should you be preparing? Why do you think I'm looking up? Chest proud, chin up, warriors. Chest proud, chin up. Always is what I tell my warriors in the Warrior Academy. We don't bow down. We don't put our head down. We don't give our power to the small group of people that are controlling the masses. We are powerful beyond measure. This is a time for you to prepare yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, and most of all, financially. Is a massive collapse coming? In my opinion, yes. Am I a financial advisor? No. I tell you, don't trust a word I say, trust the feeling and vibration it creates within your body and act accordingly. Every single one of us has these tools right in front of us. We can either look at the Will Smith, Chris Rock. Think about that. Johnny Depp trial. All these black swan events that are getting you to look this way, as there's a whole nother narrative happening this way. And yes, I believe within my paradigm, there's a massive financial collapse coming. But here's the thing, warriors. It's nothing new under the sun. What goes down must come back up. There's yin and yang, there's polarity and everything. Your job right now is to build patience, persistence, and resilience. That is the key. What goes down must come back up. The longer you stay in the market, the wealthier you become. Your job is to pick the winners and losers. Winners are companies that actually have real world solve, that are moving into the quantum field, that are not stuck in the old earth paradigm. Pay attention to the things that I'm teaching you. I'm giving you hints, facts, figures, numbers, logic to help you make informed decisions. Warriors, whatever the sheep are doing, whatever you're hearing at the gym, or the barbershop or the nail salon is not what you should be doing. As you can see right here on my screen right here, breaking news, breaking news. Well, guess what? Guess what? The narrative is coming. There will be a stock market collapse at some point within this year or the next 24 months, okay? Now, here's the thing. This is not politics. This is not left. This is not right. I don't care what you believe in. I don't care if you wear a mask or you don't wear a mask. I have never cared about that. I know what I believe in, and that's my opinion, and it doesn't need to sway yours. I respect you for what you believe in, because here's how it works. It's from the inside out, not the outside in. The big narrative that's happening, okay, let's walk through this really quickly. C-word narrative. Boom, everybody looks this way. We get shut down in our houses. Our lives change as we know it. They scare the living crap out of us. And then boom, Russia versus Ukraine narrative. All of a sudden the masks are gone. And now we have Roe versus Wade. And whatever your opinion is yours. I'm not going to spend my time arguing with another individual trying to change their paradigm. They were born into a situation and a condition that created a definition that built their subconscious mind programming that gives them their opinion. It's not my job. I am not God. I am not your savior. I am not your hero. It is not my job to change your opinion. Your opinion are the thoughts, action, behaviors that you put in place within this physical world that are your reality that you're facing. And I respect you for your reality that you're facing because it's yours. The people within my life are within vibrational alignment of me as a human being. And the people I see within my life are a reflection of me. And what I've embodied within my Warrior Academy and 4,500 people that have gone through is we embody freedom, patience, persistence, love, and most of all, freedom to be who we want. That's what we have in the Warrior Academy, 3twarrior.com. That's what we've created. So I'm going to take you through a narrative that is coming fast and furious. But what I believe I'm here to do is to share a message of peace, prosperity, and calmness. I believe that's my role, is to express how I feel inside through these videos or whatever this creation is here, to help people see what it looks like to be calm through these times. I've become wealthier than I've ever been in my life and financially free in the worst economic times in the world because I have changed my paradigm here. Because when I was on my mom's couch 3 years ago, I made a conscious decision to completely change my life, to stop living in the just over broke paradigm, to understand that I was born into a circumstance that became a definition, that became my condition, that became my subconscious mind programming around wealth. And I had to reprogram my subconscious mind. So God put me back in that situation to look at the condition, to understand the definition that was created around wealth and reprogram that so that my children going forward would never have that issue. My children having a completely abundant mind. My son and daughter do not know lack. They know winning and in a positive way, and they know that they can do whatever they want. They are creators. I believe in God. I follow the life of Jesus. So people get really offended when I say I'm a creator. What did God say to Moses? Who do I tell him sent me, God? The great I am. Whatever you put behind the words I am become your truth. Okay, so I'll get out my soapbox. So I'm just going to take you through a narrative of what's happening right now. They're letting you know it's coming, Warriors. Are you prepared for one of the biggest financial collapses in our human history?
Off of that massive drop we told you about on Friday, the markets, well, they continue to plunge. The Dow is down more than 650 points. The Nasdaq is 520 points in the red. The S&P 500 down 131 points.
Boom, here it comes. Here it comes. Fear in the streets. We got Roe versus Wade. We got masks coming off. All of a sudden, boom, C word. Russia, Ukraine, food shortages, Roe versus Wade. Why are they doing this? Because here's what's coming, Warriors. Inflation, the big market crash. This was on May 2nd, 2022. This is a great article from Seeking Alpha. It says the money creation and monetary inflation advances made by Fed has reached its pinnacle where inflation has where inflation and zero interest rates have met. Okay. Monetary inflation initiated in 1981, but significantly advanced since 1987's market crash, has created unsustainable economic and market dislocation now at crisis levels. So what's happening is we have a massive overvalued stock market based on the Warren Buffett indicator. So we have companies now that have been pumped money into their system. And so they're showing fake GDP growth, which is gross domestic product. So when you have a lack of gross domestic product growth and you have overvalued companies and you have money printed into them, okay, and you can't just keep printing money, what do? War creates GDP, gross domestic product. War creates jobs. So they kill people to get us out of these monetary systems. It's nothing new under the sun. This has happened over and over again. It's really unfortunate. And it's not good. It's not good. But we're one perception shift away from correcting this. If everybody woke up to this reality, the very small group of people that control this monetary system, what's done in darkness would come to light. But we're worried about all these distractions of other people's opinions, and we're arguing our opinion against another human being. It's by design. This has happened for centuries. They want you arguing about Roe versus Wade. They want you arguing about mass versus mass. The people who created left and right, the left and right created left and right. You hear what I'm saying? The left and right created left and right. This has been for centuries. Who cares what your opinion is? Live your life. If your life is shitty, it's your fault. It's that simple. Economic and market fault lines are identified to inform best investments and trading positions given to the current economic market risk. Okay. Janet Yellen, these are the people running our country, man. Come on, dude. Yellen says financial system is working well. This lady, despite potential for continued volatility. This on May 9th. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen believes the U.S. financial system is in working order. Is she drunk? But wouldn't be surprised to see market turbulence linger. Okay, let's read this sentence again. Janet Yellen says U.S. financial system is in working order, but wouldn't be surprised to see market turbulence linger. That's like me saying, oh, yeah, I got my shit together. I'm being an ethical person, but I might screw up this weekend. I might hit a strip club and do some cocaine, but I'm in good working order. But I might this weekend, I might go out and do some cocaine and go to a strip club. I'm not sure, but I'm in working order. I got my shit together. Jesus, there's a potential for continued volatility and unevenness of global growth as countries continue to grapple with the pandemic. Yellen said prepared remarks. Her testimony before Congress on Tuesday will amount to a review of financial stability oversights. You guys know I'm going to be watching that, and I will be breaking that down as well. There's some other stuff I'm going to be breaking down tomorrow around my research team was sending this over to me. And I want to make sure I have facts, figures, numbers, logic. I'm looking at this. This is BlackRock and Sidell thing, borrowed 100K BTC. Whereas this is all by design. They're sinking the market by design. Stay the course, stay the line. Fundamental cryptos, hold the line, don't trip. buy the dip. That's what we always teach in our Warrior Academy. Tech giants lose more than 1 trillion in value in the last 3 days of trading. This was on May 9th. Okay. I'm just showing you guys, boom, scary shit coming. US stocks sink deeper as markets tumble worldwide. Investors are increasingly worried about inflation, a war in Ukraine, China's C-word lockdowns, and now we got Roe versus Wade, which is causing massive hysteria with the people. Coinbase revenue drops 27% from a year ago. Stocks slide. Coinbase reported first quarter earnings after the bell on Tuesday. The earnings came amid a major sell-off across the crypto market. Coinbase earnings missed an analysis estimate, and shares fell as much as 19% in the extended trading. And yesterday or last night evening news, the worst of the stock market crash may be yet to come, according to the Wall Street Fear Gauge Signal. Okay, this is key right here. Right here. Fear Gauge Signal. Man, my vocabulary is amazing. It's all emotions, warriors. This is what you're dealing with. They play with your emotions. They're manipulating the stock market. They're manipulating the crypto market. And you got to understand what the elites are doing right now. And whoever the elites are, the very wealthy people, they've been doing this for centuries, warriors, for centuries. They right now are manipulating the stock market just like they did when they printed the money. They manipulated it by buying junk bonds from companies that shouldn't be surviving. Okay. This is nothing new under the sun, warriors. Just do it at a micro level and you can build up to the macro level. Right now, a lot of the elites are buying cryptocurrency. They're buying Bitcoin as a store of value. They're buying things. I'm sure they're buying things like XRP over the counter, right? They're doing all these different things, warriors, as you dump your crypto. Now, I know it sucks if you got into cryptocurrency just recently and all of a sudden your portfolio is way down. This happened May 2021, where everybody was way up and boom, they got ripped. But stop being a sheep. You still have your coins, warriors. If you're in fundamental cryptocurrencies, which my portfolio, 90% of it is, 10% of it's for shit coins. And if those go up, I have a game plan. Okay. It's very simple. My game plan, warriors. It's all inside the academy. We build all this stuff. We show you everything we do. Is I'm very fundamental. I have a fundamental crypto portfolio that I'm sitting on long term. If it goes up, I exercise my exit strategy. We have an exit strategy app coming out this summer that's going to blow your mind called Merlin. You can actually go to my Instagram bio right now. You can actually join to get 30 days free. It'll blow your mind. We're launching a exit strategy app. It'll text you when you get close to your targets, and it'll manage all your cryptocurrencies in one place. And we solved another problem, is that it shows your daily gains and losses. Tracking apps don't show that. So we help you, or I guess we show you what we're doing. I have a fundamental portfolio. I'm holding long term. I'm exiting 50% if it goes parabolic. If it doesn't, I don't do anything. I'm stacking my wealth into insurance. I'm using a little bit for precious metals. I don't have a lot of precious metals, but silver. I have silver for barterability. And I'm a business junkie. I love businesses. I'm trying to get equity in as many companies as possible during the worst economic times in the world. So when this thing comes back, I will become a billionaire so I can change the narrative like Elon Musk. That's what I plan on doing. It's my plan. I love it and I'm sticking to it. And most of all, I love you. I do. I do. If you're watching this, you're just a reflection of me. And this is what I want to teach while I'm here on earth through my actions. I am moving from conditional love to unconditional love. What is the difference? Conditional is third dimension. Conditional is the time-space reality that you live in. You've been taught conditional love. That's everything that's happening right now. Mask versus mask, Roe versus Wade is conditional. So you Christians that are attacking other people for their belief system, that's called conditional. That is not what God or Jesus is about. God or Jesus is unconditional, which is fourth dimension. Unconditional says it's no time-space reality. Unconditional is there's no conditions on my love. So if you believe something, I still love you unconditionally and allow you to live your current reality knowing that you have free will. So you Christians and you people that are attacking other people for their belief system, you might want to study the Bible and understand what the most powerful word in the Bible is and the most used word Bible is. It's agape, which is love. And God is unconditional. Jesus is unconditional. Jesus hung out with the tax collectors and the sinners. But you're a Christian and you're judging other people for their belief system on TikTok and Instagram, and you think you have the answer for other people. That is called conditional love. That is earth. that is living of the world, not in the world and of the world. So I'm just here to say, hey, I'm unconditional. If you believe something, I'm not going to try to convince you of your truth. You have to live that truth. But from my heart to yours, I unconditionally love you. No matter what you do to me, the haters that go into my comments. And again, guys, I don't invest people's money. I don't use WhatsApp app. There's thousands of fake accounts out there. I love all of you unconditionally. I love you. I love you. I love you. But I need you to start loving yourself. I need you to start loving yourself, because this could be the worst economic times in the world and for you and your family, or it can be the greatest time in human history, what we're experiencing here in the Warrior Academy. So I love you, appreciate you. You can join our Warrior Academy in the description down below. You can join our free Discord. I hope you have a great day. Make it a great day. All right, let's get after it. Warriors, let's get your shit together. Let's go.